Welcome back to Autocars Studio 512. The all-new 2026 Maruti Suzuki XL7 has officially launched, and it is already turning heads across showrooms. Maruti Suzuki, known for combining practicality with smart design, has taken things up a notch with the XL7. Delivering a perfect blend of SUV boldness and MPV versatility. This latest model brings a fresh look, advanced features, and a more confident road presence, making it an ideal choice for families and young adventurers alike. At first glance, the XL7 impresses with its aggressive styling. The front fascia is dominated by a bold blacked-out grille, finished with subtle chrome accents that add a premium touch. The sharp LED projector headlamps, accompanied by stylish LED daytime running lights, give the car a modern and high-tech look. Maruti Suzuki has ensured that even the smallest details, like the sculpted bumper and sleek fog lamp housings, contribute to a sporty and robust stance. The open headlights in the showroom setting highlight the clarity and precision of the lighting setup, perfect for city drives and night journeys. Finished in a rich black color, the XL7 looks even more striking under showroom lights. The deep gloss of the paintwork reflects beautifully, showcasing the car's finely sculpted lines and muscular wheel arches. The overall silhouette is strong yet elegant, with a slightly raised ride height and blacked-out cladding that give it an authentic SUV character. The medium-resolution real images captured in the showroom setting truly show how premium the XL7 appears in person, with the Maruti Suzuki logo shining proudly on the back wall and the vehicle itself. Moving around the side, the 2026 XL7 continues its theme of boldness with large dual-tone alloy wheels and a crisp shoulder line running from the headlights to the tail lamps. The roof rails add an adventurous touch, while the chrome window garnish provides just the right amount of sophistication. Even in medium lighting, the XL7's design remains sharp and well-defined, proving that it was built to impress from every angle. At the rear, the story of style and functionality continues. The sleek LED tail lamps are connected by a stylish chrome bar, giving the XL7 a wider appearance. The back design is clean yet attractive, with the Suzuki logo and XL7 branding neatly placed to remind viewers of its proud lineage. The large tailgate offers practicality too, making it easy to load and unload luggage, perfect for long family trips or weekend adventures. Inside the cabin, although not the main focus in the exterior first look, glimpses of the interior show a well-thought-out, premium design. The dual-tone dashboard, high-quality materials, and modern tech features promise a comfortable and connected driving experience. Maruti Suzuki has also improved safety with the latest XL7, offering advanced features like 6 airbags, ESP, hill hold assist, and a strong high-tech platform that ensures better protection for passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 XL7 is powered by Maruti's trusted 1.5-litre K15C smart hybrid petrol engine, tuned for better efficiency and performance. Mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, the XL7 is designed to deliver a smooth and responsive drive. Thanks to the smart hybrid technology, you also get improved fuel economy, making it a perfect companion for daily commutes as well as highway journeys. Overall, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki XL7 is a stunning package that offers strong visual appeal, practical features, and reliable performance. It successfully balances SUV ruggedness with the comfort and space of an MPV, making it a highly attractive option for Indian car buyers. In black color especially, with real showroom lighting and open car lights, the XL7 looks absolutely premium and ready to dominate the roads. With Maruti Suzuki's trusted after-sales support and brand value, the XL7 is surely a smart and stylish investment for anyone looking for a new family car with a bold personality. Thanks for watching.